If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our chord tutorials. Today, it's Taylor Swift's I Can See You, Taylor's version, from the vault from the new Speak Now album. First, we are going to go through the chords. There's about 6 or 7. Then we'll go through some of the patterns in one hand, then 2 hands, and we'll get to this whole tutorial. Our first chord, the key of the piece, it's where we start, E flat minor, E flat, G flat, B flat. E flat minor chord, E flat, G flat, B flat. Get it down. In this key, we're going to call this chord a C flat, all right? So it's going to be a C flat, E flat, G flat. C flat major. Then we're going to take that up to a D flat major, D flat, F, A flat. D flat, F, A flat is our D flat major. A few more chords. We'll need G flat major, build that off of G flat, B flat, D flat. It's our G flat major, G flat, B flat, D flat. A flat major, A flat, C, E flat. Gives that A flat major on A flat, C, E flat. And the last chord we'll need is a minor version of that A flat. A flat, C flat, E flat. That third comes down a half step, that middle finger. Down a half step from the major to get our A flat minor. We'll need that in the bridge. Let's go through a few of these patterns. In the intro and the verse, we're going to start on that E flat minor for a whole 2 measures, and then for half as long on the C flat and the D flat. In 2 hands, we might get something like this. Start on that E flat minor, a 2, 3, 4. On our chorus, we're going to start on that C flat major. That's going to be a bit more major all around. So give me a C flat major, C flat, E flat, G flat, then a D flat major, then a G flat major, then an E flat minor, back to that C flat major, D flat major, then we need that A flat major, C flat again, and on a D flat major. Very nice. In 2 hands, that chorus could sound like this. Start on C flat, a 2, 3, 4. Back to that minor pattern. Let's try going through the whole piece now. Start on E flat minor for the intro. A light and easy, here we go. Again. Verse 1. Pre-chorus. Build it. A flat. Chorus. transition.